Hi there, my name is Karen Crozer, and today I'm going to show you how you can look at your Canvas class on a mobile device from the student view. To do this, you will need two apps made by Canvas. The first is the teacher app, and the second is the student app. So to follow along, you'll need to download each of these apps. If you haven't done that yet, feel free to pause the video, download them, and come back. Once you've done that, head over to the Canvas Teacher app. You'll see a dashboard similar to what you would see on a desktop. Click on the course that you'd like to see in a mobile view on the student side. Now, keep in mind, we are still in the teacher view. Everything here is for you as the teacher. To see the student view, we have to come all the way down to the bottom and click on this. Student view opens in Canvas Student. Now, Canvas will open the second app, the student app. And you'll notice there's a hot pink bar all the way around the phone's presentation image in order to let us know we're in student view. Go ahead and click on your course. Now you can start to see what your course might look like to a student using a mobile device. For instance, one of the first differences you might encounter is that students aren't automatically brought to your homepage like they are in the desktop version of Canvas. In fact, they actually have to click on your homepage in order to see it. Another thing to do is try to click through your modules. Now, in this particular class, I've made a big effort to improve my orientation module. So you're going to see that everything here is pages, and that makes it much, much easier for a mobile user to click through. Now, I'm just going to click through these briefly, but what you'll notice is that I'm using headings, I'm using bullets, and I'm using white space thoughtfully. This is going to make my orientation module both more accessible and more mobile friendly. Now, just as a point of comparison, let me show you a module that isn't as mobile friendly, and this is one that I'm still working on. In Module 1, I do start with the page, but the very next thing is a URL. And that URL is not embedded. That TED Talk is not embedded in a page. So they have to click Open in Safari and open a brand new page outside of Canvas. And as I scroll through this module, I have a lot of examples of this. I'm constantly taking them out of the app when I could potentially thoughtfully put some of this information into pages. So this is something that I'm currently working on. I would like to make more of my modules look like my orientation, where there's a very easy click through, and less like my Module 1 in this example, where it has all these links taking them out of the course. I hope this has taught you something about seeing your class through your students' eyes. And if you're wondering, why worry about it? The answer is simple. This is how many of our students view our classes. Our last bit of data from Canvas actually said that over 60,000 of our students are using the mobile app to access our classes. So, to reach every student, it makes sense to figure out what it looks like on their end. So one last time, you start in the teacher app, you go to the class you want to see, scroll down, student view, open in Canvas Student, and voila, you're there. I hope this has been helpful. This is Karen Crozer, signing off.